Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LEIYO. Today I'm going to share a very beautiful tribal folk tales. Long ago, there lived two sisters, Joy, a greedy one, and her elder, very kind sister. One day, they sowed cucumber seed in the garden, hoping for a good harvest in the coming months. Now, Joy claimed lies, telling her plants sprouted while her sister had not. As weeks passed, Joy boasted about her vines, the flower, the fruits before her sister planted. Joy broke her big cucumber while her sister had only a smaller one. Joy refused to share her cucumber when her elder sister asking, telling her father dhow and sickles were dirty. This is the reason why she didn't want to give. Her elder sister was heartbroken and requested the Mother Earth, chanting to bury her. When her parents returned from fields, Joy lied about her sister's absence, but soon she confessed. Her parents were digging her grave, the mound, and finally the bones were unearthed. Joy boasted to her friends, calling the skull an iron, brass, and stick. But the children mocked her. From the mound, the mushroom began to grow after a lasting sign of the elder sister remembered in the earth. This story depicts that we should not be envy to anyone.